Hey guys, Emily from Repentagram Studios. You may remember me from such horror films as Teething, Elf on the Shelf, A Christmas Terror. I'm just kidding. But lately I've really been getting into making my own animated props for a haunted house that we're making in our attic. And I've noticed is that there's not a lot of video tutorials that show you step by step how to make things. I got a lot of good ideas and I'm really excited about this. We're going to be using a whole assortment of different motors, different props, and I'm hoping that this kind of helps people out who are interested in doing this kind of stuff. So, without further ado, let's talk about our first tutorial. Okay, this is a microwave motor, I'm assuming, or a turntable motor, or both, I don't know. Now they're very low torque, and they're very slow. And this piece right here just spins around, and it's perfect for a spinning head prop. Be creative with this, do whatever you want. It'd be a future thing that I'm going to work on for another tutorial is making a Reagan from The Exorcist and having her head spinning on her body. But that'll be in the future. For today, I figured microwave motor, let's build a fake microwave out of some wood, and let's put a head on this and put it in the microwave so that it's spinning around. Okay, so let's talk about the materials we're going to need for this. First of all, the microwave motor. I'm going to post the link where to get this really cheap. I got these for like $6.99, free shipping. You can't beat that. They come with the wires, but not hooked up to a power source. I have a video tutorial that shows you step by step how to hook them up to a power cord. Watch that before doing this. So, you will need a microwave motor already hooked up to a power cord. You will also need a fake microwave. I built mine out of wood. Do it however you want. I didn't show it in the tutorial because I just figured that would be a waste of time. Just make it tall enough so that your head can fit inside and spin. I did mine about 1'3" maybe. You'll also need a head. This is a styrofoam wig head. I get these for like $3.99 at the Unique thrift store down the street. If you can't find a place that sells them, you can order them online. And I've already, he's supposed to be Freddy Krueger, but we're going to use him for the tutorial. Another thing you'll need is these hooks. These are 1 1/4 inch cup hooks, and they fit perfectly into this shaft. Now, if you're using it for something else, I believe the shaft hole screw thread is for screws that are M4 3.4 millimeters. But these fit perfectly in here, and then thinking that I had was to take the hook apart and stick it into the bottom of the styrofoam head, saving you guys some trouble here, because once I would do that and hook it up, the hook somehow would tear apart the styrofoam and the head would fall off. What I've found works best is after you've made a hole in it, fill it with cement, put the hook in there, let it all set for at least 24 hours, and then you're good to go. Before you pick your hook, make sure that it fits in here securely, because for some reason some of these are a little off, I don't know why, and they won't go in all the way. So just check that before you do anything. And I just pick these up hardware store or Target. You'll also need 2 screws for mounting the motor. You'll need a strobe light. It's going to go inside and make it look like the whole thing is kind of shorting. Power drill. And that's about it. So let's get started. Okay, this is the rear view of my microwave. I took the top off as well. I didn't make a back for it because I figured easy access to get the motor in and out, or the head in and out. Alright. As you can also see, I've just put some plastic wrap, stapled it here, and made it like, you know, the window of the microwave. Anyways, I glued this chunk of wood down so that the screws can, you know, mount in properly, because the bottom of this is way too thin. Obviously, the screw would just go through and into your table. So that's why I did that. It all depends on what you're using to build this. Yeah. First step, we're going to take the motor and we're going to mount it. And make sure, you also just want to make sure that it's wide enough in every direction for your head to fit in, just so it spins freely. Now we take the head, screw, and we're going to twist it in. Be gentle, don't force it. It's not going to screw in all the way, but it's going to screw in enough where it's secure. Once you can feel the shaft moving on its own, you know it's enough. Okay, I turned it back around. Before I put the top back on and plug it in, you're going to take your strobe light. I like to put it in the front. Sorry for all the noises, our laboratory is in the basement. So in the front, diagonal, facing him, so nobody sees it. Turn it on. And then I also just put up a microwave sound effect on my phone. For the added effects. Alright. I'm going to plug this in. Oh, let me put the top on. Obviously we got to turn out the lights too. And I'm going to plug this in. And then I'm going to give you guys a close-up of it. It came out pretty awesome. So that's basically the gist of it. If you liked this, remember the 3 S's: scream, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, there's going to be plenty more, all different kinds of things that we're going to get into here. I'm really looking forward to it. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something.